Just got home from Aftermarket Assassins. Had some clutching maintenance taken care of. Had about 4,000 miles on the previous setup, trouble-free miles. But it was time for some maintenance, and they took care of me. It's like they always do. For all our clutching, exhaust, or tuning, we use Aftermarket Assassins for all that stuff. And while I was up there, Mike's got the new Polaris Expedition with a turbo kit on it. I got to take that for a spin. Did a tour of the testing grounds with Mike. So check it out. Okay, we're here at Aftermarket Assassins shop today. We're looking at the Expedition. He's got the turbo kit on. Release date is sometime in May of this year. Getting all the finalization done. If you guys, anybody out there with the new Polaris Expedition, I just took this one for a drive and it's a world of difference. This kit is the way to go if you're looking for a little extra power in a big machine. Contact Mike at Aftermarket Assassins. Release date in May. This is the way to go. Also coming soon with the new Expeditions, launch control